SMX round one is done and dusted, and one of the dumbest things coming out of it is that kid right there, Carter Gray, got penalized for jumping something. This is, mind you, this is a kid on a 65, and he is absolutely sending that finish line jump, which incredible. 65 doing that, all the balls in the world. But he posted on Instagram saying, "Well, it's sad. It's said and done. I won the race. They docked me for jumping the finish line, a jump they allowed us to jump over 2 days and decided 10 minutes before the main event we couldn't do it any longer. My coach told me on the line, do the jumps you feel you can do no matter what. I'm sad I have a third place trophy, but I have the memories that will last a lifetime." I mean, this kid's absolutely sending it, and I understand it's a safety thing, probably. Not everyone's going to do it, so is somebody going to get landed on? Whatever. If you can do that, let him go to the outside and I don't know, put a roller in or something like that. But to penalize a kid for pushing, for doing, what he should be able to do, or well, obviously not should be able to do, but for something that he's capable of doing and doing it well is just kind of weird to me. I mean, he's still a podium, but like you said, I won the race. He at least knows it. The stupid penalty, who cares? You won the race and you proved that you have massive cojones, kid. So good on you. I don't know. You guys tell me, is it stupid to penalize him or whatever your thoughts on this is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.